I don't think it will hinder the filing of cases because even as we speak now, we are also looking into evidence where there is no need for the state witness. Yung state witness kasi, kakailanganin mo yan kung talagang yung kaso mo ay nanganganib na hindi pagtuloy dahil sa kakulangan ng ebidensya, kakulangan ng direct link. I don't think they're in a position to demand anything at this time. They're applying for supposedly witness protection coverage, and we have our procedures to determine whether or not they will be qualified or not. It is not for anybody to dictate to us how we will go about doing the evaluation. It is not for anybody to impose any conditions. Kapag nag-evaluate ka kasi, hindi pwede yung sabihin mo na kaliwaan kayo. I'll give a statement, give us immunity. One, we have to determine whether or not yung statement ay sapat na. Pag sinabi natin sapat na, is it enough that you mention names? Is it enough that you mention amounts of money given to certain people? You have to be able to validate that and go into the details, specifics. Saan nangyari yan? Sinong kausap ninyo? Paano nyo nalaman? Diba? How was this? What was the mode of giving it? Was it in cash or was it in a bank transfer? Paano nyo nalaman itong transaction nito? Anong involvement niyo para malaman niyo? All of this are being asked or going to be asked to determine credibility. Because we cannot just simply run around mentioning people's names without being able to give supporting documents or evidence to show that it did really happen. And second, kung ang iniisip kasi ng mga tao is blanket immunity, mga aplikante, blanket immunity, right now it would be quite difficult because we're talking about a span of so many years. We're talking about so many projects, so many other flood control projects na each project, no, would constitute one case already, at the very least, one case na pwede nang i-develop, pwede mong sampahan ng kaso. And not in all cases will they be involved. And not in all cases will they be able to testify, but they can be implicated. So, how can you immediately say, by giving a statement, immediately sasabihin sa'yo, you're going to be given blanket immunity? I think that's out of the question.